Shania fragrance is a captivating and versatile scent that opens with a sweet caramel note, complemented by the bright and fresh essence of mandarin peony and raspberry. This initial sweetness blends into a warm and inviting heart of cardamom, nutmeg and vanilla, offering creamy spiciness that adds depth to the composition. The base is rich and luxurious, featuring amber, agarwood, oud, musk and patchouli, which provide an earthy and slightly smoky foundation, ensuring longevity and an opulent, sophisticated finish. The fragrance exudes youthful elegance with a playful yet sophisticated vibe. Performance elements of Shania fragrance. Longevity. Excellent. Shania offers long-lasting wear, with the fragrance lingering on the fabric for many hours. The rich base notes of amber, oud, and patchouli ensure the scent endures throughout the day and into the evening. Sillage. Moderate to strong. The fragrance leaves a noticeable trail, making it perceptible to those around you without being overpowering. It has a balanced sillage that is ideal for both intimate settings and more social environments. Projection. Moderate. Shania projects well within a comfortable radius, making it noticeable to those nearby without overwhelming the space. It strikes a perfect balance, making it suitable for both personal wear and social occasion. Season. Autumn and winter. The warm, spicy, and slightly smoky elements make Shania particularly suitable for the cooler months. The sweet caramel, vanilla, and rich base notes create a cozy and inviting scent that complements the crispness of fall and the chill of winter. Occasion. Daytime and evening. The versatility of Shania makes it suitable for both daytime wear and evening events. Its sweet floral opening is fresh enough for the day, while the warm, rich base notes make it perfect for evening occasion. Type. Sweet, floral and spicy. Shania is characterized by its sweet caramel opening, floral heart and warm spicy base. This combination creates a dynamic and multifaceted fragrance that appeals to a wide range of preferences. Style. Elegant and playful. The fragrance exudes a style that is both youthful and sophisticated. It's perfect for individuals who appreciate a blend of sweetness and depth, reflecting a playful yet elegant personality. Mood. Cozy and inviting. Shania creates a mood of warmth and comfort, making the wearer feel cozy and confident. The blend of sweet, spicy, and woody notes evokes a sense of luxury and opulence, perfect for creating a lasting impression. Al Wahid brand offers a quality roll-on attar at a very affordable price, providing a pleasant and soothing fragrance suitable for regular or party use, and is a great product to awaken positive vibes and enhance your mood. You can use it as a pocket roll-on attar. Apply half a milliliter per use for best results. Do not apply on the body, for apparel use only. And do not consume odoriferous substances. All ingredients listed are synthetic aroma chemicals used to create the fragrance notes. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this information useful. Please share your valuable feedback in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more content.